Part 14 in our series of using 80 pounds of apples, we are making apple pie filled donuts. 4.5 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1/3 cup of white sugar, a cup of warm water, let it set for 5 minutes, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 room temperature egg, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 packets of apple cider mix. Mix. Whisk in 3 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Set in a greased bowl for about an hour. Knead about 6 to 7 times. Roll out on a lightly floured surface. Once it's about 1/2 inch thick, you're going to start cutting it into circles. Cover them and let them rest for 45 minutes. With my excess, I just made some donut holes. Once 45 minutes have passed, we're going to heat up about 3 cups of oil and we're going to boil them for about 1.5 minutes. Once they're done, we're going to take them off and we're going to roll them in some cinnamon and sugar. Now we're going to start filling them. I found it easier to just grab a bowl and just stick my donut inside and then place a knife inside and kind of twirl it about. I'm not fancy. I don't have one of those special poke holder things. Then I just grabbed one of my icing bags and I just filled it with some apple pie filling and just squirted it in there. I'm not gonna lie to you, these taste absolutely amazing and stores can definitely put more filling than they say they can in donuts. Just saying.